Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have seen the exercise 5.3 up to 9 sums. Today, in this video, we are going to learn how to do the solution of next two sums. Let's recall the formulae. If a straight line passing through y-intercept with the slope m, then the equation of the straight line by slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. Next formula, if a straight line passing through the point x1, y1 with the slope m, then the equation of the straight line by point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next formula, if a straight line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the equation of the straight line by 2-point form y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. If a straight line passing through the x coordinate and y coordinate, then the equation of the straight line by intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. These are the important formulas to find the equation of the straight line. Let us see exercise 5.3, 10th sum. See the question. Find the equation of a straight line which has slope minus 5 by 4 and passing through the point minus 1 comma 2. Here slope of the line and passing through a point x1 y1 are given. We have to find the equation of the straight line. Then means which formula you have to apply here? Yes, slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given. Slope m is equal to minus 5 by 4 and a point is equal to minus 1 comma 2. Let us assume this x1 y1. Next you have to write the formula by slope point form. Slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now you have to apply the given in this formula, means we get y minus y1 2 is equal to slope minus 5 by 4 into x minus x1 minus 1, therefore minus into minus plus 1. Now you have to simplify this, means we get cross multiply 4 into y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 into x plus 1. Multiply and remove the bracket. 4 into y 4y, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 5 into x minus 5x minus 5 into plus 1 minus 5. We need x term positive. So, transpose this term before the equal, means we get plus 5x plus 4y minus 8 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, 5x plus 4y minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the required straight line. Now, you take down and write the answer. Hence, the equation of a straight line is 5x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the 11th sum. See the question. You are downloading a song. The present y in decimal form of megabytes remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Students, see here I demo one video downloading. From this, what you have to understand? Yes, when we are downloading any video, the MB percentage is increasing, then the time will be decreasing. Therefore, in this question, I denote the megabyte of the song in percentage. X denote the remaining time to get downloaded the song in seconds. The given equation y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1 represent remaining megabytes to get downloaded in x seconds. Here you have to find these four subdivision. First subdivision, graph the given equation. Let us do the solution. Solution. First subdivision, graph the given equation. In this question, given equation is y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. Here, put x is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 0.1 into 0 plus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Here, the point is x 0, y 1. Next, you have to put y is equal to 0. Then, 0 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Here you have to find x, that is minus 1 is equal to minus 0.1x. Minus cancel. X is equal to 1 by 0.1. For removing the decimal, you have to multiply by 10 both numerator and denominator. Then we get x is equal to 10 by 1, that is equal to 10. Therefore, the value of x is 10. Hence, the point is 10, 0. Now you have to plot these points in the graph, means we get the graph of the given equation. Let us draw the first quadrant, x-axis, y-axis. X-axis denote time in seconds, y-axis denote megabyte of the song in percentage. Scale in x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit, in y-axis 1 centimeter 0.25 units. So you have to plot the points 0, 1 and 10, 0. See 0, 1, 0 x-axis, 1 y-axis. Here the point is 0, 1. Next point 10, 0, 10 x-axis, 0 y-axis. So here the point is 10, 0. Now you have to join these points, means we get a straight line. Now you have to join these points. Now we get a straight line. The equation of this straight line is y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. This is the answer for the first subdivision. Now we move on to the second subdivision. Find the total MB of the song. Here the song downloaded 100%, then the remaining times will be 0. Therefore, in solution, second subdivision, to find total MP, then the song downloaded 100%. To find total MP when the song downloaded 100%. Therefore, here we have x is equal to 0, that is remaining time is 0 seconds. Next you take down and write the given equation. Y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Here you have to apply x is equal to 0. Then we get y is equal to 1. That is the total MP of the song is equal to 1 megabyte. This is the answer for the second subdivision. Then see the third subdivision. After how many seconds will 75% of the song gets downloaded? Here see the question carefully. After how many seconds, then means you have to find the time remaining percentage of the song will be downloaded. Here remaining percentage is 25%. Therefore, here y is equal to 25%. We have to find time in seconds, that is you have to find x. Therefore, in solution, after 75% downloaded, then the remaining percentage of the song is 25%. Therefore, here y is equal to 25%, that is 25 by 100. Cancelling this means we get 4 25s are 100. that is y is equal to 1 by 4. Now you take down and write the given equation, that is y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. Here you have to apply y is equal to 1 by 4. Then 1 by 4 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Cross multiply this means we get 1 is equal to 4 into minus 0.1x plus 1. Now you have to multiply and remove the bracket means we get 1 is equal to minus 0.4x plus 4. That is minus 0.4x is equal to 1 minus 4. Simplify this means we get minus 0.4x is equal to minus 3. Here minus minus cancel. Therefore x is equal to 3 by 0.4. For removing the decimal, you have to multiply by 10 both numerator and denominator. Then we get x is equal to 30 by 4. Now you have to divide this means. Divide this means we get 7 4s are 28, remaining 2. Join 0 means we get 20, therefore 5 4s are 20. Then the answer is x is equal to 7.5 seconds. Hence, take down and write the answer. After 7.5 seconds, 75% of the song gets downloaded. Now see the fourth subdivision. After how many seconds the song will be downloaded completely? Here, if the song downloaded completely means then y is 100%. But in the question they given a remaining equation. Therefore, a remaining percentage of the song gets downloaded is 0%. So, here y is equal to 0%, then you have to find x. Let us see the solution. Fourth subdivision. After 100% downloaded, then the remaining percentage of the song gets downloaded is 0%. Therefore, here y is equal to 0. Now, take down and write the given equation, that is y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. Here, you put y is equal to 0%, that is 0 by 100 also we get 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. That is minus 0.1x is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel and x is equal to 1 by 0.1. For removing decimal, you have to multiply by 10 both numerator and denominator. Then we get x is equal to 10 by 1, that is equal to 10. Here x is equal to 10 seconds. Take down and write the answer. Hence, after 10 seconds, the song will be downloaded completely. This is the answer for this question. Okay students, today homework example 5.27 and exercise 5.3 11th sum. Go through these two sums leisurely and do it on your rough note. Thank you.